is up? It's your girl Nia from Charming Lashes. Before we even begin, okay, I just want to tell you guys thank you. I have officially reached 10K, which is so crazy to me because I would just never think that I would even reach 100 subscribers, let alone 10,000 of you guys subscribed to my channel and decided to join me on my lash journey, and you guys are actually interested in my content. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys an updated lash room tour. I have completely changed this lash room. I know in one of my videos I explained to you guys that I feel like my lash room was super dull and just, I don't know, I wasn't getting the vibes to record anymore, and I just feel like the lash room wasn't like uplifting me. I wasn't feeling excited to record. Personally, I don't feel like there was anything wrong with the lash room. I just felt like it needed like an updo, like it needed to be decorated. In one of my videos, I explained to you guys that I feel like my lash room was super dull and just, I don't know, I wasn't getting the vibes to record anymore, and I just feel like the lash room wasn't like uplifting me. I wasn't feeling excited to record. I tried my best not to show you guys how the lash room was looking in the last video. You kind of saw something, but you didn't really see everything. If you guys remembered in my my first lash room tour, I had like a massage table as my lash bed. I had like a mirror on this wall, and it was a tiny little mirror, so every time I finished my clients, they could only look in those little squares, or like I would show them a little mirror and they would look. Without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into this video. As soon as you walk in, there is my door right behind me. I feel like I'm gonna save the best for last, okay? So as soon as you walk in, you're going to see a bench. So let me show you guys. I have a bench right here. It's a wooded bench, but I feel like I just threw these covers on it just for now. But inside of this bench, let me see if I can show you guys. Inside this bench is basically my storage, packaging, my labels, my dehumidifiers, some more decorations, everything like that is in this bench. We're going to move on to the handy dandy lash cart. I'm not really done organizing it just because I don't really know what I want to do with it yet, so it's just sitting here kind of cluttered, but don't worry about it. I did buy this organizer off of Amazon. If you guys are interested, I'll put the link down in the description box. But it basically has like all my lash supplies, my glue aid, super bonder, my scissors, tape, under eye patches, spoolies, my lip applicators, my mister, and some scissors and thread. And then I have my disposable sheets right here. There's my trash can, and then here is my thing. So right here is my little desk, I guess you can say. It does move, but I just leave it right here. I put my printer inside here because, as you guys know, I do own a website and I do sell products, but for right now it is under construction. But when I get everything back and running, I have my printer here, so when I'm printing my labels and stuff, I don't have to go outside of my room to go ahead and do that. I have it right here. I got this printer at Walmart, and then I have my cute little pens here. I put a little bit of leaves, and I got these on Amazon as well. I have my stapler, and then I have this cute little mirror here. I do use this mirror to show my clients their lash sets, so yeah, that's just my little mirror. All right guys, so I'm going to show you my most favorite, well, my second favorite thing in my lash room. This is my new chair. This is this beauty right here. This is my lash chair. So I know you guys are probably wondering, how am I supposed to lash on this chair? It doesn't even go back, it just sits straight up. Well, I'm gonna show you guys a quick little demo on how my clients will come and sit on this chair and how I will be able to lash them. So let me go ahead and show you guys that real quick. The chair definitely goes all the way back, super easy for me to lash, and on top of that, it will be super duper comfortable for my clients. I won't hear any more back pains. I won't have any more breaks being taken because their back hurts. So yeah, super excited for that. So the next thing I'm going to show you guys, sorry guys, I had to take my slippers off, put that back on. Okay, so the next thing I am going to show you guys is my cute little painting right here. backstory to this painting. It's handmade. We actually tried to create an ombre effect, like a smoke effect, where it was going from black, so it would start black from here and it would go all the way to pink to white towards the other end. I got that idea off Pinterest, and no, it didn't work out. It actually made my lash room look super like just mean and sad, so I didn't want to do that. So what I did was I just painted over it with a lot of different paint colors, and it created this nice little background going on over here. And then I had my mom write "Live, Love, Lash" on it, and then I just painted over her writing in bright pink. And I'm so excited how it came out. I'm really happy on how that came out, so thanks, Mom. All right, guys, so I'm going to show you guys these cute shelves that me and my dad installed onto this wall. So this is actually a real plant. It's kind of dying now, but I did water it, I promise. I got this plant from literally my patio. I stole it from my mom, put it inside. The next thing is this cute little jar thing going on. I can't tell you guys where I purchased this because my client actually gave it to me. She gifted it to me. She also gave me this cute Eiffel Tower, and then this is just a frame. I literally printed off a picture off Google and just put it in that frame. The next thing is this sign that says love. Because the lighting is so bright, you can't really see it, so I'm gonna dim it real quick. So it literally says love on it. And yeah, usually my light is not as bright, but since I'm recording, I'm showing you guys, but like it pops out and it looks just like that, which is so cute. All right, guys, so the next thing I will be showing you in my lash room is this gigantic mirror behind me. So this mirror was actually in my room. I put it in here just because this mirror is huge, you guys, and I feel like with a big mirror, it needs to be a big statement part of your room. And my room is big, but it's not that big, and it's kind of crowded because I do have like a chest, I have a dresser and everything, so this wasn't showing the full beauty of it, okay? Like it wasn't showing the full beauty. You could barely see the bottom part of it since it was so big. My bed would cover it. So I decided to put it in here because I feel like not only is it gorgeous in my lash room, but now people can actually see themselves and like check themselves out before we take videos and stuff, and I post it on my IG. So I got these LED lights. Before I show you guys how big this mirror is, I got these LED lights from Amazon. It does change color. Let me show you guys. I have a remote here. It does change color. So it can go from like blue to green, to white. Like it has a lot of colors, to red. Super pretty. It can flash. Let me show you. It can literally flash and change colors, but I didn't really figure that part out. I'd rather to just stay pink. I'm gonna show you guys how big this mirror really is. This is how big the mirror really is, you guys. Like, look at that. It's huge. And it's heavy. It takes 2 people to move this mirror, so it took me and my mom to go ahead and move this mirror, but I'm so in love and I'm so happy at the fact that I put this mirror here. So it's literally right next to my cute 3 shelves right here, and then the mirror is right here. So as soon as you walk in, you'll see a cute little elephant that I've had. My mom gave it to me, and I just put some green plants in it. And I actually have my stereo in here. It does go, my speaker, sorry, I said stereo. I do have my little speaker in here. It does go down furthermore, but I'm just charging it really quickly. And it usually goes inside the elephant, so nobody can see that white speaker. They'll just hear music when they come in. And then I just got a bunch of artificial plants from the house that that we have. My mom has a lot of these just laying around in the house, so she gave me some and we just stuck it right in the elephant. I got this cute white rug from Amazon as well. I just thought it would be a cute little fashion piece. Quick update, I did purchase a rug for it. I felt like that was just the missing piece to this puzzle, was this gorgeous gray rug and some dark gray curtains, just to darken up the vibe a little bit and have my clients nice and relaxed. I don't want to have like a bright lighting as soon as they come in. So yeah, I just wanted to keep the room nice, peaceful vibes. I don't want to show myself because I literally look crazy. I just wanted to add this clip in just to put it in the video for you guys. Give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you would like to see in my next video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.